Good day! Do you want to know how I selected my sample respondents? If yes, I'll be showing you how I selected my sample respondents from a population using the sampling technique I chose, which is stratified random sampling. But before that, let us ask Mr. Strati to describe to us more about the stratified random sampling. Mr. Strati?
Alright, thank you for featuring me here, Miss.
Sophia Wee.
Okay, Miss. Stratified random sampling is a method of sampling that involves the division of a population into smaller subgroups known as strata. It ensures that each subgroup within the population receives proper representation within the sample.
Thank you so much, Mr. Strati. Now, let's move on to the main goal of this video. Our goal is to choose 100 samples from the junior high school department. And to do that, we have 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1. We need to make a table to be more organized, and it should contain the grade level as strata, number of students per stratum, and another space to put the number of samples that we will get using the formula that I will show you in step 2. Now, after making the table, we can now proceed to the next step. Step 2. We need to compute for the sample for each grade level. In order to get the sample, we need to divide the number of students in the stratum by the total population, and then multiply the result by 100, which is the number of respondents that we need.
Using the formula, we will now compute for the first strata, the grade 7. So we have 56 students over 251, which is the total population, multiplied by 100, which is the respondents that we need. 56 divided by 251 is equals to 0.22, and then we'll multiply it by 100. Then we'll get 22.31. But we need to have a whole number, therefore we'll round it, so we'll get 22. And that's how you get the sample.
Since I showed how to get the sample of the first strata, we already know how to compute for the sample for the other stratum, so we're just going to solve for the others.
Step 3. Complete the table. After completing the table, we will now add up the samples from each grade level to know and make sure if we already have 100 respondents. This means that there are 22 grade 7 students, 29 grade 8 students, 24 grade 9 students, and 25 grade 10 students who will be part of the sample. Now that we've solved how many respondents we need to get per grade level, we can now apply the SRS using 2 methods. The fishbowl method we can use by putting in a paper the list of names of all the students per stratum in a bowl or a container and then choosing from it randomly. The next method we can use is by using a random digit generator. We already did what we have to do, therefore our targeted goal is reached. And that ends this video. I hope you learned how to apply the stratified random sampling in your survey or research. Thank you for watching!